Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. First, open your Phantom Wallet, either the browser extension or mobile app. You'll need to find the Receive option and select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, like Solana. It's very important to copy the correct receive address for that specific coin and network. Double-check the address before proceeding to the next step. Now head over to your Coinbase account, either on desktop or the mobile app. Look for the Send Crypto or Transfer button. Here, you'll select the exact same cryptocurrency you chose in your Phantom wallet, for example, Solana. Then, carefully paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. This ensures your funds go to the right place. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the transaction details. Verify the recipient address, the cryptocurrency type, and the network. This is a critical step, as transfers are irreversible. Once you are confident, confirm the transaction and complete any two-factor authentication or verification steps Coinbase requires. Remember, it's always a good practice to send a small test amount for your first transfer. This helps ensure everything is set up correctly before moving larger sums. Also, be mindful of transaction fees, which can vary, and transfer times, which are usually quick for Solana, often taking just 1 or 2 minutes. Phantom Wallet is versatile, supporting several networks beyond Solana, including Ethereum and Polygon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.